Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Tapo Smart Switch from TP-Link, the model Tapo S220. Any bulb made smart. Most smart switches require a neutral wire, but Tapo doesn't, only the live cable. Experience every smart feature without paying an electrician to rewire in your whole home. Remote control, schedule timer. You need the hub model H100 from Tapo, low battery reminder, tool-free battery replacement, control any way you want, turn your lights on or off with your voice from Google Assistant or Alexa, or via the Tapo app download from Google Play Store or App Store. Get your smart life started without rewiring your home or changing the existing bulbs. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Batteries included, screws, the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Okay, we have some instructions. I will show you all about how you can install this at your existing switches. The on-off button, close, open, pull, and here we can install two 3A batteries, sync reset button, on-off switch 1 and on-off switch 2, and here we have the LED indicator. Let's install the batteries, LED indicator, and again just press and close with this switch. Tapo app. I have other products from Tapo. I have made a video for all these products. You can check down below the description or after the end of this video. Add a device, switches, Tapo S220, Smart Hub from Tapo, some instruction. I have already installed the batteries. Press the sync reset button for 5 seconds. LED is flashing. LED is blinking. Next, you can rename the device.
I found Smart Switch from the Tapo skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Smart Switch. I found Smart Switch from the Tapo skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Smart Switch.
2 times because there are 2 different switches. Next, choose an icon, next, next, and for the second, let's say Smart Switch 2, choose an icon, living room, check firmware. Congratulations, your Tapo device is up to date and ready to use. Wire your switch. Some instructions, and done. There's the switches. We can hear the click. Okay, now let's make the wiring. I have the live cable, it is the black, the first switch brown cable and the second switch brown cable. Of course, to your electrical wiring at your home, maybe cables have different colors. You need to find the live cable and the other 2 cables that going at the switches. And the most important, you don't need any neutral. Live cable, it is at this connection, the first switch and the second switch. Let's connect first the 2 switches. If you don't know how you can do that, just call a professional electrician. And the last, the live cable. Cables are very tight, I can say, but I have managed and done the job. Now let's remove this cover Okay, perfect. And we need 2 screws, and that was all. Now in my case, because the holes are left and right and the holes here are up and down, I need to have my switch at this position. No problem for me. Find the holes and just screw. And that was all. Are very tight, very durable. Okay, it will work in this position. I have just transformed my regular bulbs on a smart bulb. And press turn it on. Fast response. The first cable, it is the live input and 2 output live cables. You don't need neutral. Or you can just control it from Alexa. Turn on smart switch 1.
Okay.
Okay Google. Turn on smart switch 2.
Sure. Turning the smart switch 2 on.
Turn off smart switch 1.
Alright. Turning the smart switch 1 off.
Alexa, turn off smart switch 2.
Okay.
So fast. And of course you can do that and from the app. You can schedule, add a schedule, choose sunrise or sunset, choose the hour and the minute, before or after, done or custom time, turn device on or off, choose the days of the week, and save. Disable, enable the schedule, away. Set a period of time during which the Tapo device will be randomly turn it on and off to make it seem like someone is home. Nice, I like that. Choose the days of the week. Again, sunrise, sunset, custom time, choose the hour, the minute, and start. Stop for now. Timer, on or off, hour, minute, and start. Turn device on in 3 hours, minutes and seconds. Stop for now. Slide up and here we can see today how many hours it is on, past 7 days, past 30 days. Favorite off or on, device sharing to other members of your family, feedback, and let's go at the settings. You can change the device icon, device name, location, delay shut off, 30 seconds, 20, 10 or 5 seconds. User manual, placement guide, perfect, I've already done that, device info and firmware update. Now nice all that, let's move on at the smart. Here, routine action, you can activate leave home. You can edit. When you are leaving home, it will switch off all these devices, or you can just remove if you want some of these devices. Delay action. You can adjust the hour, the minute, if you want. Smart plug. There I have then the smart plug, and this is the smart hub. I have made a video and for these 2 products. You can check this video down below the description or after the end of this video. And for these 2 lights, the color GU10 and the regular, we can see all these products here. So just save.
I found one new scene called Leave Home, and you can control it by saying, turn on Leave Home.
Nice, I like that. Let's turn on these 2 lights. So if I'm going to press here, I'm leaving my home and it will switch off everything. Of course you can adjust all that. You can add, control Tapo devices. You can choose, let's say, the color bulb, turn it off or on, set lighting auto. You can choose colors, on direction, minutes, seconds. You can adjust the brightness, up or down, color temperature the same, random colors. So many combinations. You can adjust all that to your needs, whenever and wherever you want. And it will switch off, switch on, any time of the day, of the week, 24/7. Nice, I like that. So let's move on back and go to the automation. That is the fun part. I like automation. It is amazing to have automation at your home. Control all your lights at once. Now, add automation. Today's video is all about switches. So let's focus at the switches. Add trigger. Trigger device. Let's say the smart switch 1. Single tap on the switch. Done. Then control Tapo devices. Let's say these two smart bulbs, because are Wi-Fi smart bulbs. Drive light. You can choose to turn on or turn off. Turn on, off, set the lighting, adjust the brightness, on direction, minutes, seconds, and of course you can increase or decrease the brightness. Okay, let's say on for now, done. And of course you can choose other devices if you want. Control Tapo devices, choose one of these devices, maybe one of these smart plugs. Yes, why not? Let's say the smart plug 1. Switch it off, done, or switch it on. So many choices. And then next, automation, you can choose a name, always, or custom, choose the hour, the minutes, the days of the week. Always for now, save. Tech, and done. You can disable, enable the automation. So if I'm going to press the switch right now, it will turn on this light and turn off the plug. There it is. And of course it will switch on and the default light that been connected to the switch. Or you can add another automation. Automation, add trigger. Trigger device, let's say the smart switch 2. Done. And then add action. You can choose to run a circuit, enable, disable automation, control Tapo devices. Whatever you want, so many combinations. Run circuit, leave home. Next, name, 2 for now, always or custom, done. Created automation. And of course if you want, you can use this switch without connecting to the power, because it has batteries and you can use it with batteries. So that means if you don't want to use it to control your bulbs that are not smart, you can use it to control your other devices that is smart. And if I'm going to press right now the button, it will turn on this light and this light because it is wired at the switch, and switch off the plug. And then if I'm going to press this button, it will run the circuit I'm leaving from my home and it will switch off everything. So many combinations. I love automations, I love circuits. Find your own automation, what is the most suitable for you to use all these devices at your home. Just create and enjoy a smart living home. Well, my viewers, that was all about this smart switch. There are more products from TP-Link, so stay tuned, hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video. You never know who may need it. Until my next video, have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.